friends, welcome to Vlogmas Day number 3! So today is Vlogmas Day number 3, and it is actually the day before Thanksgiving, and it's been a crazy day. You saw I woke up early for me. I know some people wake up earlier than that, but I had to get out of the house. I had to drop off Michael and our friend off at work today because we were carpooling, and I need the car because Mr. Wallace has to go to the boarding place today. Are you ready to go to a boarding place? You ready to go on a car ride? Do you got your toy? Did you bring that for me? You ready to go on a car ride? Yeah. So, does anyone else, like when they board their dog, do you guys get like extra nervous? I get nervous every time, and he's literally stayed at this place so many times and it's fine. I need to go get, his stuff's already ready. I already made I put his dog food and everything in a bag. We're just gonna go out on one more walk, right bud? And then we're gonna go outside. All right, bud, you ready? You ready to go to the boarding place? All right. Grab your bag. You ready? Ready for a car ride? You ready, bud? Alright, bud, we're here. You ready? You ready to go? Oh, I'm gonna miss you, bud. I'm gonna miss you. That's always so rough, you guys. Like, I hate having to drop off Wallace, but he's in good hands. I do like this place, so thank goodness. And the girl remembered him inside, and he went right up to her and got pets immediately, so he should be okay. And it's only for a couple days. And he got the play package, so he will be outside today and tomorrow, like all day. So he will be fine, and we pick him up the next morning. I hate leaving him. It's the worst, but hopefully he's okay. It's too quiet in here without Wallace. And I still have a lot to do, so let's get to doing after I drink my coffee. So, order of business is, this house is a mess. It's very bad. You are about to see it. Are you ready? Brace yourself. Trigger warning. I told you it was bad. The bedroom's bad. There's laundry everywhere. The office is a disaster. So today is going to be a clean with me and pack with me, which actually works out. So me and Michael are flying out to South Carolina tonight, and we are taking a red eye. So we literally have all day to get stuff done. And since Wallace had to be dropped off early, you're probably thinking, well, if you have a red eye and you're not flying out till late, then why did you drop Wallace off so early? The boarding place is closing at noon, so I had to take him early. So I have all afternoon. We're probably not going to leave the house until about 7 p.m. Our flight doesn't leave until 10:30. So yeah, like I said, we have plenty of time. So I'm going to get some cleaning done. When Michael, I have to leave at like 11:30 to noon to go pick Michael up at work. They're securing early today, so he gets to leave early, and then after that we're gonna go to the gym, and then after that he said he would help me clean the rest of the house. So he has sweep and mop duty, but other than that I think we should be good. I'm gonna get the laundry started right now, make the bed, clean up, and then start packing. I think that's the order of things. So let's do this, you guys. Cleaning montage, let's go. So the first thing that I went and did was I made my bed. I don't know about you guys, but I have to make my bed first in the day. It gets me going for everything else. So I make my bed first, always. Does anyone else's dog just leave their toys everywhere? I like constantly am picking up toys, like every day. After that, I had to go and do some laundry. So I separated out our laundry first, and it was about 2 loads. And when Michael gets home, he wants to go to the gym. So we're gonna have 1 more load, but hopefully we can get these 2 done because we kind of need some clothes to pack tonight. And then it was time for my least favorite thing, unloading and reloading the dishwasher and putting away the dishes. I don't know what it is, but I hate doing the dishes. It's my least favorite, always has been, always will be. Lunch break. I made me a sandwich because I am a child. Anyone else just love ham and cheese? I eat, like, a lot of you guys ask for like what I eat in the day videos, and let me tell you, I eat like a child. Sandwiches, grilled cheese, soup, and then Michael cooks dinner. He's the chef of the 2 of us, so I'm gonna eat my sandwich and then we'll get back to cleaning. So since most of the areas with carpet are relatively clean, other than the office, I figured I'd go ahead and vacuum my bedroom and the rug in the living room. We'll save the office for later. It's really weird vacuuming when Wallace isn't home because usually Wallace attacks the vacuum. The next thing I had to do was clean off our coffee table. I don't know what it is about our coffee table, but it's the mecca for all of our mess. Cups, socks, for whatever reason, just all of the mess ends up on the coffee table, so I needed to clean that off. I just sprayed it down with some Windex on the glass, and then I just made sure everything was straight and pretty. Moving into my office, I decided to move the presents that I had already put in bags under the tree. These still needed the paper on the inside, but I figured they could go under the tree for now. And then it was time to tackle the office, which is always a mess. This is where I do most of my YouTube and Twitch work, and it's just always a mess. So I decided I should probably straighten it up a little bit. So the first load of laundry is completely done. I just need to fold it, but I need to leave and go pick up Michael. So I'm gonna leave, go pick him up, and next time you see me, Michael should be back and we'll continue cleaning and getting the rest of this done and soon packing. So after I picked up Michael, we actually went to the gym, but then we chilled for a little bit, and Michael, of course, played Apex. It was about 4 o'clock, and we looked at Google Maps, and it was an awful long drive. So we packed really quickly and decided we should probably leave sooner than later. So that is unfortunately going to be the end of Vlogmas Day number 3, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all on Vlogmas Day number 4. Bye!